A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal development, a federal judge has temporarily blocked President Donald Trump's controversial order to freeze federal funding to 22 states, affecting a wide range of public loans and grants. This ruling comes in the wake of a request from Democratic attorneys general from the affected states, who expressed concerns over the potential disruption of critical government-funded services. The ruling was issued by U.S. District Judge John McConnell, an appointee of former President Obama, in Providence, Rhode Island. The judge's decision is a response to the chaos and uncertainty that Trump's funding freeze had caused, particularly among state officials who rely on federal assistance for various programs. The freeze was announced by Trump's Office of Management and Budget, OMB, earlier in the week, which stated that the pause was necessary to review federal financial assistance programs to ensure they aligned with the president's priorities and policies. The OMB memo highlighted that in fiscal year 2024, the federal government spent nearly $10 trillion, with over $3 trillion allocated to federal financial assistance in the form of grants and loans. The temporary pause was set to take effect on January 28, 2025, at 5 p.m., and it required federal agencies to identify any legally mandated actions or deadlines for assistance programs during the pause. However, the judge's ruling has put those plans on hold, at least for now. This decision is particularly crucial as it allows states to continue accessing federal funds without interruption, which is vital for many public services. The ruling also reflects the ongoing tensions between state and federal authorities, especially in an era marked by political polarization. Earlier this week, another judge, Loren Ali Khan, also granted a temporary stay on Trump's funding freeze, indicating a growing judicial pushback against the administration's policies. The implications of this ruling extend beyond just the immediate funding issues. It also raises questions about the administration's approach to federal-state relations and the extent of executive power in managing federal funding. As the legal battle continues, the administration may face further scrutiny over its handling of federal financial assistance programs and its overall impact on state governance. The temporary restraining order issued by Judge McConnell will remain in effect until further order from the court, as he considers whether to grant a longer preliminary injunction. This case is being closely watched, as it could set a precedent for how federal funding is managed in the future and the legal boundaries of executive authority. As the political landscape evolves, it remains to be seen how this ruling will affect Trump's administration and its ongoing policy initiatives. The judge's decision has been met with mixed reactions, with some praising the ruling as a necessary check on executive power, while others view it as an overreach by the judiciary into the realm of executive decision-making. The situation continues to unfold, and both state and federal officials are preparing for the next steps in this legal battle. For now, the federal funding freeze is on hold, providing a temporary reprieve for the states affected by the administration's abrupt policy shift. As the nation watches closely, the implications of this ruling will likely resonate throughout the political landscape, shaping the discourse around federal funding and state autonomy in the months to come. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.